This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation and Masonry Repair. Customer called us out again on a leaning chimney on a house that has pulled away about 2 inches or so. You can see that huge gap up that side, and it's way out of level. So what we're going to do is try to jack it back into place using our piers. We have 2 piers on the side, and we've driven down about 30 feet. And now we're going to crank this machine and see if we can move this wall. Here we go. Watch that crack up there. All right, move a little bit. See if we can move a little more. Now we'll take our hydraulics and we took out all the mortar work behind there, and we'll mud that back in. That wall is just about where it needs to be. How's that level look? Real close? Get right here and hold this level. Now we'll see our level. Go back to that level again. And then we'll do the necessary mortar work on this job on the side. Tuck pointing, patch it all up. I'll do a final video on the repair work. Another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation and Masonry Repair. March 22nd, 2017, part 2 of this video. You can see we cleaned it up really nice here. Got the 2 piers in the little chimney. Got the patches all fixed up. And the chimney is now plumb straight and level. This chimney was leaning out about 6 inches, and then what happened was it was pulling away the veneer on each side. You guys did a good job. Appreciate it very much. Again, another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation Repair, located in Lithia Springs, Georgia, also Douglasville area. Customers called us out. Got a leaning chimney. I'm sure that video shows how much we're leaning, and I want to show a portion of this. It's hard to show it all in a video, but I do want to show a portion. We got our piers down here driven down to a base that's going to hold it. And we got a gap right up there where it's pulled away, and then it's also pulled the brick veneer away as well on both sides. This side, and there's a crack over there, right there on that side, right up in there. All right, so we're going to just attempt to lift a little bit of this to show how we can lift it. Bobby, if you'll crank it and put the level on the wall, we'll see how this thing starts to work. Put the level right here on the corner where I can film it. All right, your finger is on the, flip the level around the other way. There you go, just like that. Top, that end up, there you go. Okay. So here's our level. We'll show a little bit of this left. See that chimney going back in place right there. I'm going to show this right here. Look at that go back in. Push again. So the rest of the video will show us later on. I'll show the after video, but right now we're going to finish doing some more hydraulic pressing, and then we'll do a final video. This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation Repair, part 2, out here in Lithia Springs, Douglasville, Georgia area. February 5th, I believe, maybe 4th, 2016. As you can tell now, this is the after video. We are dead plumb. This chimney was at least 6 inches out. You can tell up there that some of the siding came back in. Those gaps are now gone. And in the industry of knowing what you're talking about, this chimney is now plumb straight and level, folks. And we'll do the necessary cover up, remove the jacks. Another quality job done by JSA.